All right, I'm recording intro now.
Well, I'm gonna clean the poop, or you want to smell it all the way?
Well, hello, my name is Brody, and today I'm here with... Carol. Yeah, so after last video we went and we bought a new prosthetic, this one we're taking up currently, and frankly it took all day. Well, and I just want to go to sleep.
Okay.
We are professionals. Yeah, we are professionals, but we're having fun. This is a video, so yeah, enjoy. Oh man, this feels like high quality. Wow. Okay, it goes low though. It's pretty big.
Oh, it's pretty. You look amazing. It's not big. It's huge.
Uh-oh.
This is not professional. Good thing that you're cutting this part out, right?
Oh yeah.
You know what? It's because I lost my little scissors.
Scissors.
I'll be right back.
Wait, she has the microphone. Cara,
What?
you have the microphone.
I wanted to talk to people meanwhile I walked in.
Hi everyone, this is Scorpius. He's a wrinkly boy. His name was almost Ham. I think it would have been a little cuter if his name was Ham. Who wants to go in the oven? Who is a little rotisserie ham? He is. He is.
I'll record this because this is very unprofessional. Sorry.
It's okay, I have two eyes.
Oh no, I need to cut it.
I don't remember my friends' birthdays, let alone my enemies. You're the enemy.
Oh really?
Yeah.
I didn't know. Can you even breathe? We love it.
Did you like the translation of your voice?
That was so random though.
But it sounded like your voice in English.
Yeah, it was super creepy.
Yeah, mine didn't sound like me at all. I look like a conehead when you do that.
What do you mean?
A conehead.
It makes me more hungry. Oh, stop it!
Do you guys have Saturdays in Mexico? Wow! Whee! So you're listening to a podcast?
Creepy stories.
Creepy stories. So it's people talking though.
Yes.
You may be asking, why can't Brody hear the creepy stories? Because she doesn't want me to.
He's such a liar. He doesn't even let me put music.
Okay, I got new microphones. I'm learning how to use them properly. And apparently, when you have music in the background, you can hear the music in the background. When we airbrush, I'm okay with music.
Yeah.
You zoom in all the way out.
No,
See,
don't
all the way out.
move.
I changed my mind, I want to zoom in. Less of you. Bondo, 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 bondo. Now, I want you to sing like Pippin sings to Denethor. What are you saying?
Machism.
Machoism.
Machism.
Machism?
You look this way. You don't scare me anymore. I know you. And go up.
Up.
So I'm currently just waiting for my makeup artist that just went off.
I can do your makeup one time if you want.
Yeah.
I'm hanging out with Ham.
Ay.
Wait, what the hell? Why is it focusing behind me? What is that?
A ghost.
It's focusing on the bottle.
There's a ghost.
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 Oh my god.
I'm older than you.
No, you're not.
What year are you from?
95.
You're old. You're a dinosaur.
I think Italian food's the best kind of food.
It really is.
Better than Mexican food?
To a degree, yeah.
But you got pizza, you got pasta, that's about it. You want to say hi to your mom?
Hi, Mom. La papa.
La papa!
Huh?
Dino. Don't touch me. Ah!
Okay, you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Looking bony.
Thanks.
Wow, wow, wow.
My lips look weird. I look like I'm always smiling.
But you are.
Look at
I
it.
see it now, close. But don't smile.
I know. Do you wear wigs? Will you wear wigs? When will you wear wigs? You should turn me into a mandrake.
That would be my dream.
Yeah, just the top of my head. I'm like, hey.
Yes. Next time.
We can do that. I'm getting old, Gandalf.
I need to find my brush.
Oh, you need to find your.
Oh, I found it.
Oh, did you find your?
Here. Spider.
What did you say?
Okay.
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 Okay. I just want to ask you something.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. Will you wear wigs?
I will.
Woohoo!
Closing time. I thought your contacts were colored.
You're colored.
Are they?
You're gray.
They don't look gray.
Ah, thank you. What do I look like? You look quite cute. I know that wasn't the intention, but I'm
Is
ordering
it my
food.
mouth? I think it's my mouth. You know how in Mexico they have like shrines and they put Coke at the shrine? Yeah, would you do that for me?
Of course.
Thanks. Yeah, where would you put my shrine?
Depends. Is it for like you dying forever, or is it for Dia de Muertos?
The monsters? No, not for monsters.
Dia de Muertos.
More of those? No thanks, I'm good, I have enough.
Day of the Dead.
I don't know, it would be forever.
I don't know where you want to die.
I want there to be a shrine of me in your kitchen.
With these Vancouver prices, I don't think you'll fit in there.
You could get people to come by and be like, $5 to see my Brody shrine.
I don't know if they'll pay, Brody.
What?
I'm sorry.
Of course they would pay.
Can you look up? I just don't think that you're that important.
What the fuck?
I know you so very much.
You dropped something. We're gonna have some chicken nuggets.
Break time.
All right, we're back with a different microphone. Also, I'm wearing the costume now. We're in the final stretch. This will be fun. I get to see.
Cute horns.
Cute horns. 1, 2.
That's all you get. Can you explain the audience why are we doing this?
The teeth?
Yeah.
We had to cut the prosthetic to fit my face, and there's too much of an empty space in between the chin prosthetic and the whole face. So we have to fill it with something because it kind of looks silly just because it makes my mouth look tiny. I got her! I got her!
Wow.
Oh my god, she's crazy.
Can you be professional?
Yes, I'm never not.
Thank you. And we can try it on the chin.
Alright, picture time! The boy who lives comes to die.
The Monster Mash. The Monster Mash.
The Monster Mash.
And with that, we start removal.
It's really late.
Yeah, it's quite late and I'm sleepy. Alright, let's start removal.
Let me show
Like a
you.
jowl thing.
Done!
Why is this still recording?
No. That's a really interesting way of ruining my makeup.
Bah!
Go like this.
We didn't do our thumbnail. Put it back on. Ah! Okay. Who is she? Scissors!
Scissors.
Sophie, shout out to Sophie. Scissors!
Scissors.
Caesars.
Scissors. Hello, my name is Brody. Oh, no. Hello, my name is Brody.
Well, hello.
Well, hello, my name is Brody.
And today.
And today,
Well, hello, my name is Brody.
well, hello, my name is Brody. And today,
Today. Get this piece off me.
stop, don't. Don't.
I don't see you stopping me.
Stop.
I got you something.
That's why I don't want you to do it. Then you do it all everywhere. That's better.
Okay, take off, you hosers.
Are you happy now?
Is that what you had on here?
Yeah, are you happy now?
I mean, no. Itchy nose, itchy nose.